Hi guys, welcome back. It's Gene here, and today we'll be doing a 5k run, and then we're gonna time myself how long it's gonna be. As you can see, we're in a park. It's still early in the morning. It's still a little bit chilly, if you like, but I think it's good. Get a run in the morning rather than lunchtime or evening because it gets quite crowded. But yeah, we're gonna do a 5k run. Follow me along. So I finished 5k, did about 29 minutes, which is not too bad. I feel I can do a little bit better. The goal is 25 minutes, but we've still got some way to go. Having said that, every other day I go for a run for 5k. In between I do about 2 to 3k just before work, just to get the legs moving. Yeah. Remember to stretch, guys, just before your run. That's very important, so that you don't get an injury, as well as before your run as well. Actually, just make sure that you spend a couple of minutes just to loosen up the legs and get yourself ready. And also, don't go too fast. I think that's one mistake when I started running. I'm not the best runner ever, so just make sure that you gradually build it up. When you get to 2, 3, 4k, you slowly build up over time, and your time will get better and better. Okay, but apart from that, from me, from this video, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more content.